Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a Pinterest pin on Windows 11. So let's get started. It's free and you have to use canva.com to design your Pinterest post. So open the Chrome browser, select your profile, and you have to search canva.com, or you can search on Google. I'm opening directly the website. Now after opening the website, you have to log in with the registered account. For making an account, use a Gmail account. It's totally free. And after registering on Canva website, just go to this option, create a design option, as you can see on the top of here. Click on it. Now here you have to search Pinterest. Remember, we are making a Pinterest pin post. So okay. The best thing I love about Canva is it suggests you hundred templates, and they are super cool and unique. For example, I want to make a Pinterest on my pet, so I will search pet and press the enter. Now you can see the suggestions I got from Canva. It's super cool and unique, so just search for the best. It looks cool, best template out there. And to make changes in the template, just double click on it, and you can change the text, as well as you can change the text font by clicking on here. Select the text and just change your text font. As you can see, my text font is changed. You can also change the text color as well, as by clicking on A option, and I guess red will look cool. Now you can see my text font and text color is changed. Now after doing all the modifying all the features, just go to share option to download it and click on download. Select the JPG style and maximum size and click on download, and your Pinterest pin is ready and will be downloaded in your computer or laptop. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I'll keep bringing the best features out there on Windows 11, and thank you guys. Take